My favorite summer meals are the ones that require minimal cooking, and with just a few ingredients, you can make a delicious pasta with pesto. Today I'll show you how to make pesto in a high-speed blender, but for the best results I would highly recommend using a mortar and pestle. For the nuts, I love pine nuts, but they can be hard to find sometimes and a little bit on the expensive side. Instead, we can use walnuts. And for the cheese, we will need Parmesan or Pecorino, or you can use a combination of both. If possible, try getting the blocks instead of the already grated cheese. Now let's get started with the pesto. 1/4 cup toasted pine nuts, 2 cups fresh basil, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 garlic. Make sure the nuts have cooled down before you start to process them. Start with the nuts, garlic and basil and lightly pulse them. We don't want to over-process and generate heat in the blender. 2/3 cup olive oil, salt, pepper, and the grated cheese. And blend them just enough, not too much. This is the texture I like, a little bit chunky, but you can blend it some more if you like smoother. Smells amazing. Pesto makes a great pasta sauce or sandwich spread, or a great topping for pizzas or bruschetta, or even a great dip for breads and vegetables. Today we are using it in a delicious pasta dish with cherry tomatoes and feta cheese. In generously salted boiling water, cook 3/4 box of pasta. I'm using penne. Follow the package directions for cook time. Pasta should be cooked but still have a little bite to it if you like al dente. Drain and add the pesto, tomato and the feta cheese. And that's how simple it is. It's a perfect summer meal. Seasonal ingredients and very little time around a hot stove. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.